In the previous class, we have discussed about how to create this EC2 instance and VPC architecture level theoretically. In this class, we are going to learn practically by comparing this architecture level. That would give you better idea how the process will be going on. Now, as you know that this is our EC2 dashboard. There we are going to create our server. There you can enter server one. Just I'm naming for my server, and as you know that this is my OS. I'm choosing Amazon Linux, and keypad everything will be same. And I don't want to go with the default network. I want to place in my own network. You can choose this one. Previously I have created these networks, that's why all these displaying in this list. Now I will create new network, then that would give you better idea how the process will be going on. See, main, open, VPC architecture. If you see this one,
Yeah.
uh, in the previous class we have discussed like what is VPC, like what is subnet, what are servers, all these things we have discussed earlier.
Yeah.
Now, I think you got architecture level, right? You have any questions on that? Uh,
No, no, it's perfect.
yeah. Now, I'm going to VPC dashboard. I'm leaving this one like this. I'm going to VPC dashboard. I, Similarly, as like a EC2, you can use in a search bar. Like if you search a EC2, then it will be display. And if you want to go with you want to create a own network, you need to go with a VPC. It is also one other service in AWS dashboard. Just you
Yes.
can click this one, then it will be redirected to other page. Then there you can select your VPCs. Okay. Previously I have created these three VPCs, and this the last one will be is providing by AWS Cloud. Currently I
Wonderful.
have four VPCs. And one thing, uh, per region we have limit for only five VPCs for a free drive.
Okay.
For suppose if you create five VPCs, later if you want to create now, you need to delete old ones. Per region only we have five limit
Okay.
for
So we can only create the five VPCs.
yeah. Yeah. Now
Okay.
I'm going to create a new VPC. New VPC. Uh, what are these names? Anjali, my okay. I'm naming this one as a new VPC. New hyphen VPC. Okay.
Yes.
And new VPC. There you can check. This is my VPC range. I will explain this thing along with the networking part 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
I have an idea. Yeah.
yeah, okay. There I'm giving some, okay, I'm giving some 14.0.0.0 slash,
16.
I'm giving slash 16. You know what is this slash 16 or these things?
Yeah, yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, slash 16. Then I'm going with okay. I have created my VPC. This is my new VPC, and my VPC range is like this. Just for a basic idea, I'm showing this one. What is this slash 16? All these things. Previously, I have done this one subnet mask. If you see this one, for suppose your VPC range is slash 16, and range is a slash 24, slash 32, different things are there. There we can find we have we can classify this one mainly four types. We
Yes.
can call this one as a CIDR block,
Yes.
slash 8 slash 16 slash 24 slash 32. Okay. uh, in IP address, if you see, this is IP address mainly, it has four blocks. If you find, normally in a four blocks, uh, first place is filled with 8 bits, and the second place is filled with 8 bits, like that. The scenario will be like this. If it is a slash 8, that means first one is first one is filled, and the remaining three are incomplete. Got
Yeah.
it? Yeah,
Yep.
remaining two are incomplete. And then this incomplete place will be filled with these 0 to 255, 0 to
Permanent
255
mask.
values.
Yeah.
Then approximately we will get, if a slash 8, if a VPC range is a slash 8, then approximately we will get a 255 cross 255 cross IP address. Like that. If a range is a slash 16, then the first two will be completed.
Yep.
Uh, uh, this why this 255 means, this range, like it has a range. We have only 0 to 255. Okay. If it is a slash 16 means, uh, already I know, each place is filled with 8 bits. Then 8 plus 8, two places are filled. We have only other two incomplete. At that kind of scenario, the incomplete place can be filled with 255 cross 255 IP address. Then approximately for a slash 16, we have this much of IP address. Okay.
Yep.
Like that, the other two scenarios will be there. uh, Now you got it. If it is a slash 24, 888, these are completed, and we have only one pending one. That one will be filled with a 255 IP address, like
Yeah.
that. Now I am connecting this one architectural level. See, for my VPC, I am giving, uh, what value I have entered for VPC. I think 14, right? 14.
14. Yeah.
Yeah,
16. 14
14.
dot 0 dot 0 by
Yeah,
16.
14 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0 slash 16. I have entered this value for my VPC. And 18. There. Okay. As per our knowledge, for a slash 16, how many IP address you will get? 255 cross
255 into
255 IP
250.
address. There we can easily, no need to worry. We have subnet. We can use a subnet calculator. There you
Yes.
can find easily subnet calculator. There I am entering IP address is constant. We need to check with this CIDR block, and
Yep.
there I am giving a slash 16. There we can calculate how many hosts we are getting. See, for a slash 16, approximately we are getting 65,000 IP
60,000
address.
change. Yeah.
Yeah. uh, there you can use 65,000 approximately. I'm at 536.
Yep.
536, I'm right.
Yep. IP addresses will get.
Yeah, 536 IP address we are getting IPs for this particular VPC. Okay. Now I'm going to create a subnets under this VPC. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Already we created a VPC. My VPC range is we can call this one as a range. My VPC range is a 65,536 IP address. Now I am going to create a subnets under this VPC. Now I am using small example for your understanding. For example, this VPC as your father,
Yes.
uh, VPC as your father, and this IP address as a asset of your father. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, if IP address as your asset of your father has okay, father, and this is your father asset. These subnets are like children. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. If your father have only two children, have only two children, then he will distribute his asset equally to two children.
Yes, true.
Yeah. If a father have 10 children, then he distribute his asset equally to 10 children.
Yes.
Yeah, it depends upon the requirement and depends upon the number of children. Just I'm using this example for your understanding.
Yep.
Yeah, as per in this scenario, uh, depends upon the requirement, we can create a number of subnets. Therefore, suppose I have 10 subnets, then these IP address are equally distributed 10 subnets. If I have 50 subnets in this particular VPC, then these IP address are equally distributed to 50 subnets in that particular VPC.
Yep.
Everything it depends upon the requirement of the project and our wish. Okay, now I'm going to create a subnet under the VPC. I'm going to create a subnet. These are my previous subnets, everything. I'm creating a new subnet. It asking in which VPC you are going to create subnet. I need to choose my new VPC,
Yes.
and I need to enter my subnet name. I'm giving uh, new VPC hyphen sub one. I'm entering like this, and it asking the zone. In the previous class, I said for suppose in this
One zone we need to mention.
particular region, we have different zones. Now we need to create each subnet at each zone. That's why for the first subnet, I am choosing zone one. Okay, and this is my VPC cider lock, and there I need to give 14 dot 0 dot 1 dot
One not zero.
our wish slash. There you need to enter the value. Say for VPC we have 16 slash 16 means you have 16 5000 IP address. There
Yeah.
for suppose if we enter 16, then what will happen? Then all the IP address will received by this particular subnet only.
Yes.
But I don't want like that. We can check. I don't want to give slash 16. If I for my VPC, I have for my VPC. If you see, I have 65,000 IP address. I want to give. If I give, I am unable to give slash 14 because slash 14 I have more IP address. That is impossible for me. That's why I need to give other value. That's so I need to give other, not slash 14. I need to give this greater than
17,
values like
18. Yeah.
20. If I give 20 for my subnet, then I will get approximately 2000, I think so. Yeah, 4000.
Okay.
If I give slash 20, then my subnet will get 4000. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
as you know that my VPC have 65,000 IP address. If for every subnet, if I allocate like this, I can create approximately 12 to 13 subnets, I think so. Oh, no, 14 for the 56, 15 for the 60. Okay, I can create approximately 16 subnets in my VPC. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, because 16 subnets, each subnet have 4000 IP address, then I can create a 16 for the 64. I can get, if I want more subnets, I need to give lesser value.
Yeah.
Lesser
This
value. If I give slash 24 now,
21, 24. Yeah.
then I will get a 255 only. 255 na.
Yes.
Then you can calculate 65,000 divided by 256 something na. Then you can create a number of subnets. Depends upon your requirement. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Uh, as of now, I'm going with slash 24, not 24. Uh, just you
20
can
we can.
try with slash 20. Slash 20. Okay, 24 is also fine. Okay, slash 24. That's why I'm giving for my first subnet, I'm giving a value like this. Uh, 14 dot 14 dot 0 dot 0 dot no 1 dot 1 dot 0 slash
24.
24. I'm giving like this. Then it will get approximately 250 5, I think so.
256.
Yeah,
0
0
to
to 250. Okay, okay, 256 IP address.
Yeah.
256 IPs. Okay, you can think like this is the first child, whatever it may be. Then okay. For my VPC, I have this much of IP address, and for my first subnet, I have 256 IP address. Then, how many subnets we can create in our VPC? For suppose in thousand we can create four subnets, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in
For
thousand
subnet.
we can create four subnets. If 65,000, we can create approximately 1 into 60, 4 into 60. Approximately, we can create 250 subnets in this VPC. Did you get the calculation?
Yeah, just doing it. Yes. Yeah, we can do 256.
Approximately, I'm saying
Yeah.
approximately in
We can do
thousand.
256.
Yeah,
Confirm.
in thousand we can do four na. We have
Yes.
65,000, and in thousand if we four na, 65,000 means 4 into 60, right? 4 into 60, approximately 240 plus.
Yep.
Approximately,
256 we can do.
yeah. I'm not using any calculator. Just I'm saying random.
Okay.
Okay, then in this particular VPC, we can create approximately 250 plus subnets. Then we are going with this subnet, right? Uh, VPC console. I have entered this block. I'm giving slash 24. It's saying for my subnet, we are getting to 56 IPs. My subnet one is created.
Yes.
As of now, I'm not creating many subnets. I'm going with only three or four subnets.
Mhm.
Again, I am selecting my new VPC, and for our better understanding, I am assigning name like this. We need to easily identify, right?
Yes.
Sub two. Okay, sub two. New VPC sub two. We need to easily identify. No need to worry. That's why. And I'm placing in. Okay. Uh, I need to lock the door. One person came and opened suddenly event. This is happening in pages.
Mhm.
I think my screen is visible, right?
Yes, yes, it's visible.
You are getting any sounds? No, right?
No, no, it's all clear. Yeah.
Okay. This is my new subnet. Subnet 2. There I am giving 0 dot 2 dot 0 slash. I am giving same value. I am getting same amount of IP address. Create subnet. Then it also created like this. You can enter the same value there. For this one, you can do the same value like 14 dot 0 dot 1 dot.
2.2.0 by
Okay, okay. 2 dot 0 slash 24. There you are getting 256 IPs.
2.
Similar, similarly, you can create a number of subnets there. I'm going with another subnet. We have no place. Just
Yeah,
we
no
need
worries.
to we need to assumption that no, as a number of subnets, architecture will be like this. Inside, we are going to place our servers, and in our new subnet also, same scenario will be there. 14 dot 0 dot 3 dot 0 slash
24
24 24, and we got 256
IPs.
IPs. Okay, then it would be better. Now I'm going to create practically uh, just new VPC subnet name, mm, new VPC hyphen sub 3 to see 14.0.3.0/24 256. Okay, our three subnets are created. Now it's fine. Now we can check how many subnets are created under our VPC. You can check like this. Where is my new VPC? See, this is my new VPC.
Yes.
I'm selecting my VPC ID and I'm coming to subnets. Just I'm pasting my VPC ID. Then subnets under this VPC will be display like this.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like this now. Now my
Yes.
task is uh, this what is the purpose of this internet gateway means to provide internet connectivity to my subnets.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, internet connectivity to my subnets, and you can call this one as a route table. Okay, this one is a route table. I'm giving you one example. For suppose whenever mm, if we want to go in a new place, who will guide you? You need these route maps, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you, for example, you need this route map. This Google Maps will guide you like go like this, go like this. Similarly, if you doesn't have this route, these lines like a route for connecting to the internet. Okay, how the servers are going to know how it's going to connect internet gateway, then going to connect internet without these connection. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, this type of connection is needed. Now at the time of creating VPC, this route table will be created automatically. You can check that one. uh, uh, See, VPC route we have done with these two things. I'm going with the route tables. Okay, see this one, I'm pasting my VPC ID, then automatically the route table under that particular VPC will be displayed. See, automatically route table under that particular VPC will be displayed. For
Mm-hmm.
our easy visibility, we need to name that one new VPC hyphen. I'm naming like this one. Okay,
Yeah.
for our easily we need to easily understand, right? Whenever you are able to see this one, we need to easily find that one. No need to search, that is a time loss.
Yes.
Yeah, this is my new VPC route table. Then my task is route table is there, but there is no connection. Okay, there is no connection between this diagram drawn by me earlier.
Okay.
Route table is there, but there is no connection like this. Got it? There is no
Yes.
connection like this. Got it?
Yes. Yes. I got it. Yeah.
Uh, this diagram is a previous diagram. We need to make this connection. Uh,
Yeah. We
uh,
have a subnet, but we
yeah,
need to make a connection
make
between them.
this
We
connection
need
from
to
subnet
do
also to
peering.
the internet gateway. That's the thing we need to do. There we have these routes and the subnet associates. Okay, under this what is the purpose of the subnet associates means we are adding the subnets to the route table. Okay, like we are adding the subnets to the route table. You can think like this is my route table. Okay, this is, you can think this is my route table. Okay, we are uh, this is my route table. You can think like this. This is my route table. Mhm. This is my route table, and we are adding my subnets. These two already added. I'm adding other one. Okay, I'm adding this one. Okay, that is one task. I'm adding this one. How we are going to add means under subnet associate. Under subnet associate, I'm going to add. I'm going to add the subnets. See, edit subnet associates. As of now, these three are freely available. That's why only those things are appearing now.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why I'm selecting those subnets and I'm saving them. And under this route table, route table I have added. See, if you see this one, now these three things are added under this route table. Now we have added these subnets to this route table. One side setup is completed. Now this side setup is need to be done. Okay, you got it.
Yes, yes, I got
This
it.
side setup is done. Now we need to do this side setup. For that we need to give routes, edit routes. This is already, it has a local means inside VPC only they can easily move inside the VPC. There
Oh,
is no route to internet gateway. That's why we need to add route to internet gateway. Add route, we need to give 0 0 means whatever from this network need to go to internet gateway. um Internet gateway, yeah, internet gateway. We don't have internet gateway, right? That's why it's not displaying. We need to create internet gateway. Yeah,
okay.
internet gateway, there you need to create a new internet gateway. I'm giving new VPC hyphen IGW. Then I'm going to create internet gateway. uh, Refresh. Yeah, this one. Okay.
Yes.
We have created internet gateway, but we need to attach this gateway to our VPC. Yeah, but as of now it is freely. I need to attach to my VPC. Got
Yes.
it? I need to attach. Now I'm selecting that one and I'm going attach to VPC. Actually, as of now, only this VPC doesn't have internet gateway. That's why it is displaying in the list.
Okay.
If I have many VPCs without internet gateway, all the VPCs will be displayed. As of now, this VPC doesn't have internet gateway. That's why only this one is appearing now. I'm
Okay.
selecting that one. I'm attaching internet gateway. Now I'm going back. Now what the things we have done? We have done this setup and we have attached. Now we need to make this setup. Okay, we need to make this setup. Now again I'm going to routes. We have done with internet gateway. We need to make this setup. 0 0. This means what is this means? Uh, Whatever anything from this network. 0 0 means anything from this network. Uh, Go to this internet gateway like that. Now
Yeah.
we need to attach to my internet gateway. See, we have internet gateway we have created. I'm attaching to that one and I'm saving this. If we don't have this setup now, we are unable to connect to our server.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, then everything we have done. We have done subnets. We have done all these things. uh, I think you got this range also, like a father distributing asset to the children, like this. Now
Yes, yes. I got.
we are going to create a security group. For security group, for suppose uh, uh, wait, I need some dotted line. No need this one. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
It's like a security group. It's like security group. uh, these are the rules, like it is my infrastructure. uh, this one is like coming from outside to the environment, someone trying to connect to our servers from outside. Like this one is like we are going to install something from the internet. Okay. At there, this firewall will be there. Firewall will be like a security group. This is a security group will be there. What happened to this one? Hey bro. Waiting. This is like a security group. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. It is our environment. We are connecting to outside, and someone is connecting to inside from outside. The security group, it will check whether it is within the limits as per our rules. Then it will allow. Otherwise, if it is not within the limits, or it not matched by our rules, it will restrict the entry pass. And also, whenever if we are connecting to outside, it will check. Then if it is okay, then only the process will be done. Otherwise, the process, it will restrict the process. Now we are going with the security group. We have done with VPC, subnets, all these things. Now we are going with the security group. And the security group, uh, we have separate class for a security group. No problem. There we can discuss much more. Uh, yeah. Your mother tongue?
Oh, my mother tongue is Marathi, but I'm basically belong to Hyderabad. I'm local to Hyderabad.
How many years?
Oh, I'm by birth. I'm here only.
You know Telugu?
Yeah, yeah, I know Telugu. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, New VPC security group. Sec- mm, New VPC security group. Okay.
Yeah.
I think new VPC security group. We can give some description, whatever you want. Allow traffic.
Hmm.
And we need to attach our security group to your VPC.
Ah,
Security
maybe.
group is a VPC specific. Okay. Not like a common to all. Each VPC have a different security group. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. And new I'm attaching to new VPC. And there we need to define the rules, inbound and outbound rules. Okay.
Yes.
Inbound and outbound rules. And one thing, this security group is stateful. Okay. Stateful means it's like a mirror.
Okay.
Just for understand, mirror, whatever rules we give for inbound, automatically outbound also will take that one.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Like for example, if we open 80 port for inbound, same will be useful for outbound.
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Now we will discuss more about security group in the next class. For suppose there I will give more, because as of now uh, we are discussing about VPC concept. Maybe in the next third class or fourth class, I will give more idea about security group. See, I will show that diagram also. I will explain. I will explain in a separate class. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
sure. I got it. Yeah.
There you will understand more better. Uh, See, as of now, I'm not going much deeper into security group. Just I'm giving all traffic. Like I am
Okay.
allowing everyone. No, there is I'm not restricting anyone there. Okay,
Okay.
all traffic and also giving anywhere. As of
Okay.
now, I'm giving like this. In the next class, we will go much deeper. Security group. Uh,
Sure.
our security group also created. Everything is fine. Now, uh, everything is fine. We have set up everything. uh, okay, I'm saving this diagram. Not why it's not coming. Save as. mm, okay, now it's done. I think architecture level you got it. Now practically also we have done. Now we are going to create our server in our own network. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, in my own network. Just I'm going back because it need to be refreshed.
Yes. Yes.
Just I'm launching instance. uh, I'm giving like uh, new VPC server. Okay, I'm assigning with my new VPC name. Inside I'm going, you can go with Amazon Linux. You can also go with Ubuntu.
Yes.
Previously you have practiced this one Linux.
Yeah, yeah. I have Linux idea. Yeah.
Yeah, can we go for Ubuntu now? You are
Yeah,
going
you
with the
can.
new one,
I
right?
have. Yeah, I have knowledge of like Linux and Ubuntu. Yeah.
Yeah, then
Red
we
Hat
can go
also.
with Ubuntu. We can go with the new one, right? Every time why Linux? Uh,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
yeah, and instance type T2 micro and key pair. I'm going with same key pair, my key pair, and I'm going with the networking VPC. See, new one is displaying new VPC, and it asking for suppose you are going to create server. You selected new VPC, and it asking you are going to create in sub you are going to create server in subnet 1 or subnet 2 subnet 3. It
Okay.
asking, then you need to choose there. Okay, I'm going with the subnet 3, or I'm going with the subnet 1, like that you need to choose.
Yes.
Okay, and I will you will get one more one idea also. I will explain that auto assign public IP. Currently it is in a disable mode. We need to enable this one every time. uh,
Okay.
and if we turn on the settings in the subnet, then automatically it will be enabled. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we will enable now. Enable and the security group. I don't want to create a new security group. Previously we had now, I'm using that one.
Yes.
And the security group. Then I'm launching instance. And one thing I want to explain here, uh, refresh this one, refresh this one, and okay. If you see, my server have one public IP and one private IP, and my server is running in subnet 1. Okay, because it is 2A. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
and my server have one private IP address. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
and one more thing I want to explain you. uh, Want some notepad. Zoom in. Why it's become too like.
You need to do it like control and plus, then it will do it.
Okay,
Control,
okay, but
type like control plus, it will increase the
yes,
size.
yes, but previously I tried, it's not working. That's why I'm following this one.
Okay.
Okay, this letter is fine for you.
Yeah, yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, now IP address. IP address. IP address is like it is a combination of uh, network ID plus host ID. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, network ID plus host ID. I think already you know this one. There you can find. Now we have created a server in a subnet one. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, server one. And there my server see my server private IP. Private IP. This is 14.0.1.165. Okay.
Yes.
If you see this one, uh, the range is belongs to my VPC only.
Yes. It's
Yeah,
belong to VPC.
14.0. Yeah, 14.0 belongs to this network, and also it is belongs to subnet one. That's why uh, this subnet belongs to VPC. That's why it's starting with the 14.0, and its third letter is 1. If you find that one, see 14.0.1, last only last one is changing. Remaining everything belongs to my network only.
Yes.
For suppose these first two letters belongs to VPC, and third place belongs to subnet, and the last place only belongs to my server.
Yeah.
For your understanding, I'm going to create another server in another subnet. S2, S2, and I'm going with Ubuntu only. Ubuntu and key pair. I'm going with Kedari key pair, edit, and new VPC. I'm going with subnet 2. Subnet 2, enable, and security group,
Same as ours.
same everything. I'm launching instance. There you can find my server private IP address will be 14.0.2
Two
some
dot.
random value.
Yes. Two dot something. Yeah.
Some random value. 2 dot some random value.
Yeah.
Also, I can say damn surely one thing. This subnet have a range up to 256 IPs only.
Yes. Right.
So my server last place will be 1 to 256 only, like 1 to 255 only. There is no chance of getting 380, 480 like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like that. And also in this 256, they have some one broadcast IP. They will keep one for backup, like scenario will be there. In that 256, I think only 253, 254 only available for a useful case.
Yes. Yes. Up to that. Yeah.
Yeah. If you see 14.0, the scenario will be like this.
Yeah. 5 IP address will be
Yeah.
not
And
in use. So we can only use 251 IP
one
address.
thing, if you see, as of now, we don't have any public DNS. For this public DNS, you need to enable there. Say this new VPC. There you need to go to actions, uh, edit VPC settings. You need to enable DNS hostname. Okay.
Okay.
Then you will get for you will get public DNS for your server.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you will not get. Maybe for a few next servers you will get. See, as of now only we are getting.
Yes.
Previously you don't have public DNS. Whenever if you enable for a VPC, you are getting. And also for subnets also you need to do one thing. You need to every time you are going to create server na, you are enable public IP address na. You need to go to settings. Edit the subnet settings. There, see enable auto assign public IP address. Okay,
Okay.
like that you can enable for all the subnets. Then every time you no need to select that enable at the time of creating servers.
Okay.
Sometimes you may be forgot, right? That you got it. Sometimes,
Yeah, dude.
when you are creating this server, whenever if you are creating server, na, you they have chance. You have a chance for see. I'm selecting again the new VPC, not this one. New VPC. I have enabled for only for subnet one. That's why automatically it's taking enable option. If I'm
Yes.
choosing new subnet, see we need enable.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Okay.
we may forget this one. That's why we can have auto enable option also. And if it is in disable option, you don't get a public IP address. You don't get public IP address, then we are unable to connect to our server.
Yes.
Yeah, these chances are will be there. Now we can connect to our server. Just I'm copying public IP. You can do two things. Use direct connect or putty. Which thing you want to go now?
Anything is fine.
Yeah.
I know putty also. Yeah. How to
Yeah, you
use.
know putty, then okay, no problem. Okay, you can use a direct connect and also putty. Putty. Uh, have used Ubuntu, right?
Yes.
We need to use Ubuntu. Ubuntu at the rate of uh,
iPad.
told me my IP address, and I need to browse my key pair.
Yes.
Vedari. Then you can connect to your server Ubuntu, and just you have connected to server sudo su like this. You can connect to your server, then you can do the process there. This is called VPC architecture. Finally we connected to our server. There you can do the process. Yeah, if you have any questions you can ask me.
No, no, all clear.
Hmm.
So, like with public IP address, like we have
Hmm.
like we have access it. So, like how to check whether our like we have subnet 1, 2, and 3. Like so, we need to do peering, or like it will be directly connected and we can test here in putty.
I didn't get it.
Means like we have three subnets in our VPC, right?
Yeah.
So, like I need to check their connectivity. Means is there any connection between
Wait,
one and two?
yeah, yeah, I got it. For
Yeah.
suppose uh, you are trying to transfer, you are trying to transfer any files between this server and this server, okay, or this server and this servers also, or this server and this server also, you can freely transfer, no problem.
So means I'm asking like I want to check the connectivity between subnet 1 and subnet 2.
SSH method.
Okay, SSH only. Okay.
SSH method, you can freely easily transfer, you can easily connect if it is in the same network.
Mm-hmm.
But if we want to check the connectivity between two VPCs, it is impossible. Then we are going with the VPC peering.
Yeah, that's what. So VPC pairing. Yeah,
Yeah,
I was asking that only.
like
We need,
if it is a different VPCs. Yes,
okay.
where is
Okay, two
VPC
different
peering?
VPC. Then we are going to do like
Hmm.
peering.
See, if it is a, for suppose this is a subnet one and this is a subnet two. If we are going to connectivity between these two subnets, then you can find you are going with SSH method. But
Okay.
if we are going between this server and this server, like this subnet and this subnet, that is impossible. Then you are going with a VPC peering concept method concept.
Okay. Got it. Got it, Vinay. Yeah.
Yeah, like we will do VPC peering also.
Okay.
Mm. Like one more thing, in the next class, if possible, we cover two topics.
Okay.
It's like VPC peering and private setup. You know, NAT.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, NAT.
Network address translator. Yeah.
Yeah, we have two topics. If you are fine, let's have like a 15 minutes or half an hour break. Then we can also cover VPC peering now. If you are fine, or else you can go later.
Yeah, we can do it later because I need to go somewhere else. So,
Okay. And
because I will be only getting the time in weekends, right? So.
yeah, okay, no problem. Just